My name is Zen, and basically I've owned this W204 Mercedes for almost coming to 7 years. Changed it to BILSTEIN from standard shop probably a few months after I got this car, because I've heard a lot of good reviews about BILSTEIN, so I decided to give it a try. I must say it's really good. I feel BILSTEIN gives a very predictable and stable feedback when I drive, especially when doing corners. The stability and reliability on the road is really very consistent, because compared to some other brands I've used before, sometimes it will squish out a bit on certain hard bends, but so far this BILSTEIN does not at all. So I think it's really very reliable. It gives me a lot more confidence when I navigate more challenging bends. Yeah, because I was recommended by an expert that getting a fixed B12 Pro-Kit is better than those adjustable ones, especially if I'm just using it for daily street driving. I don't really go on the track at all, you know. So I think this street tuned kit, I think it's perfect. Ready? Brand new, really feels like brand new. Just like when I first installed this on this car. You know, the feedback is great, the damping feels good. Feeling full of confidence again. Well, after using this set for the past 6 to 7 years, I've never felt more confident on the road, with a good balance of control, stability, safety. So I think it's a very good balance. It's really the best that I can ask for, to have a good, smooth, comfortable daily drive without having to endure very stiff rides, which is perfect when I need it to be a little bit more aggressive, but at the same time my family members also enjoy a reasonable level of comfort during the drive.